Today we are at Bramley Moore dock with an Everton Stadium update for you. It's been a while since we've done one of these. Had a few things to sort out, so I haven't actually been doing anything with the channel. But we are back, and there's been a lot of big changes which you'll take a look at. We have been up in the air, and we got some footage to show you just how far it has come. So as you can see, the roof trusses, which I'm probably sure you already know, they're on the way to being completed. So we're not gonna dally about. We're just gonna give you a quick look from the ground, and then we're gonna get up in the air and take a good look at it. So there you are. Yeah. Fast coming a reality. You'll see how far it has come in the drone footage as well. If you do like this video, you can share, subscribe to our channel, and leave us a little comment below if you have got any comments on the video or anything like that. I think the less said about Everton's form at the moment, the better. Right, we're going to get into this video. Enjoy. We'll see you soon. Take care.